Hey guys, welcome back to digit.in, and here's our first impressions of the new Nokia 7 Plus, which has launched in India for Rs 25,999. Starting with the design, the Nokia 7 Plus may not be as ergonomic as phones like the Moto X4, but it's solidly built. The phone is carved out of a single block of aluminum, and holding the phone, you will know how solid it is. It also has got a bit of heft to it. What's appealing is the copper band around the edges, which sets it apart from the rest of the competition. The smartphone comes with a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The display stretches all the way to the edges but leaves a lot of space at the top and the bottom. It's a good thing in my opinion, as it becomes distinctly different among phones with a display notch. For the short time that I used the phone, I felt the panel is bright and vibrant, but nothing too fancy. There's ample brightness and the viewing angles are quite wide. The Nokia 7 Plus is the first phone to use Qualcomm Snapdragon 663 chipset in India. There's 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable to 256GB via a micro SD card. We didn't see any stutter or lag, and the apps that came pre-installed opened without much of a delay. We will be stressing the phone out while reviewing, but rest assured this is one of the better hardware implementation by Nokia. There's a 3800 mAh battery which HMD claims can last up to 2 days of normal usage. We will put that claim to test in our review, of course. The phone is a part of the Android One program, which means it runs on pure vanilla Android 8.1. HMD has promised monthly security updates, sometimes even before the Pixel phones, and an upgrade to Android P when it releases. The Nokia 7 Plus sports a dual camera setup at the back, and on the front is a 16 megapixel shooter. HMD renewed the partnership Nokia had with Zeiss Optics, and the 7 Plus is one of the first crop of Android phones to use Carl Zeiss lenses. There's a 12 megapixel wide angle combined with a 13 megapixel telephoto lens that can be used to get 2x optical zoom and bokeh effects. Based on a few shots that we captured, the camera seems quite capable of taking good shots. The bokeh mode might not be as appealing, but it does the job. The Nokia 7 Plus will compete directly with phones like the Moto X4 and the new Oppo F7. Its build quality and craftsmanship somewhat justifies the price, but there are other options to go for. We will be back with our full review very soon to give you our final opinion. Till then, you can tell us what you thought about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to digit.in for more videos like this one.